Today for you, we have a $250 coin and silver mystery box that we are going to unbox for you right here on the channel from Lucky Duck on eBay. Now, what's really exciting about this one is, unlike the one that me, Rob, Raven, and Keith did, I know for 100% fact he did not know this was going to end up in my hands. And how do I know that? It's because an awesome subscriber actually ordered this himself and then asked me if he could send it to me for an unboxing, and then I would send it back to him. And of course I said yes. So we actually get to see this. We know for a fact it is unbiased. He did not know it was going to go to a YouTuber. So let's go ahead and get this thing open and see if it's as good as the one that he sent me, Rob, Raven, and Keith. But really quick before we do, don't forget that we are at almost 100,000 subscribers. Help us get there by clicking that button. We are almost there, guys, and then we will have our biggest silver giveaway ever. And also, don't forget that our sponsor, SD Bullion, is giving away a full monster box of Silver Eagles. As I release this video, there will only be a couple of days left to get your entry in. It closes after December 31st. So if you haven't been over there and entered your email address for a chance to win a full monster box of Silver Eagles, make sure you get over there. It is ending soon. So it looks like our box took a little bit of damage in shipping and they covered it up, but if it's anything like the one I got, there will be a bag inside, so it shouldn't be a problem. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. All right, now that we got the tape cut open, we'll open it up and see what's inside. We have some packing material. And if it's anything like the last one, there's gonna be a bag in here for like a starter kit. Yeah, and then another bag. All right, well, I don't see this. Okay, so we got, yeah. And that's it. So this is literally what we got in the last one as far as like what you initially see. We got our little bag, like this burlap bag right here that's like a starter kit. And there's probably gonna be some flips and stuff in here. We'll open it up. And then inside of this one is gonna be the actual coins. So let's do a quick overview, just really quick. I don't wanna take too long. Just show you what's in this starter kit. And if it's, like I said, if it's anything like mine, it's about $10 in value. You got some flips. You have a jeweler's loop. You have a box of gloves. Actually, I'm using one of the two gloves he sent me on my last one. Oh, this one has a stapler with some staples. I did not get a stapler in Staples. So that's actually an improvement over mine. And then we got some 2x2s, you know, note sleeves. Yeah, so this one's a little bit of an improvement over mine because I did not get a stapler with staples. Very, very cool. And we got some dry packs as well. And then it says, as a token of my appreciation, here's your customer appreciation gift. It contains supplies and items to help you on your coin collecting journey. Happy collecting from Lucky Duck. All right, and next up, we have the actual package. It looks like it's got some tape on it, wrapped in bubble wrap. Now, I'm gonna have to send this back, so I wanna keep everything as, you know, as it is. And we'll pull this out. Yeah, this is what we saw last time, and then in here... All right, I had to cut the part out where I showed the back of this because it had his name on it, but basically there's a personalized thank you note on the other side of this, which is really cool. And it was my subscribers' info, so I'm not going to share that for sure. All right, so here we go, the meat and potatoes. We are looking for $150 in value with a few bucks in shipping. If I remember correctly, he did not charge much on shipping on mine. I don't think that has changed. The first thing I feel in my hand is a slab. Let's see what we have. All right, so it's a 1990S. It's a Proof 68 Red Ultra Cameo Lincoln scent. I'm gonna be honest, I actually have no idea what these modern proofs go for. I do know that Ultra Cameo, although in 1990, it might be a little bit easier to get Ultra Cameo than it is in the 70s. All right, so I checked on eBay. I couldn't find any PF68 Red Ultra Cameos that sold, but I did find a PF69 Red Ultra Cameo that sold for $5 plus $5 shipping for a total of 10 bucks. The buyer knew he was gonna pay shipping, so he probably calculated that. So if we were to put a fair valuation on this, I think you're still looking at around $5 or $6 right there. We're gonna call it 5 because I don't think it's gonna make a difference very much between 68 and 69. So there is $5 on the board. Here we go, next up. Whoa, we had a bag and a coin. All right, so we have a 1929S Standing Liberty Quarter. It looks to be around VG, maybe fine, but most likely VG. A coin like this, you're really looking at around $7 or so. I'm gonna call this a $7 value. All right, so next up, we have something in a felt bag here. It's definitely a slab, and we are going to pull it out. It feels like a PC is just slab because it has little notches on it for him to stack. All right, so here we go. Let's pull it out. I hope we're not getting all the good stuff early. This is slab number 2 already. And, all right, we have a quarter 1954S. That's a beautiful example. MS65 right there of an uncirculated 54S Washington quarter. Remember, this was before San Francisco made all the proofs. This is just a business strike. Very, very nice. And I did find one of these on eBay that sold for $18.50 plus $3.50 shipping for $22. We're gonna call this a $19 retail value. So far, so good, but let's keep on it going. We are nowhere close. And we have, all right, so we have a 1 ounce copper round. This one is a piece dollar round. So I believe in my last video, I valued these at like $2 or $3 and I said 3, either 2 or 3. I'm gonna go with 3 just to be fair. This is a really, really nice one. All right, next up we have a roll of pennies. This looks like it's a bank wrapped roll. Let's get this open. All right, well, it took me a second to look, but it appears that we have a full bank wrapped roll of 1959D Lincoln cents. Now these are BU, and actually, believe it or not, 59D sell on eBay and BU rolls for around 10 bucks. Hey guys, it's Secret Post Edit. I actually had to look this up. They're going for around 20 bucks. Look at this. So we're actually gonna add $20 to the board for this one instead of the 10 that I originally said in the video. Wow, 20 bucks for those. We have a 1964D Kennedy half dollar. He has this marked at 1790. I don't know if that's his number. These right now go for around 14 bucks, I believe. Not bad though. Retail, that puts it at 28 times face, so definitely more than just your current 90% value. We're gonna call this $14. Very, very nice 1964D. Brilliant uncirculated Kennedy half dollar. Oh, guys, I feel another slab. Here we go. Bam. Oh, a couple of things came out. We have a 2002 S proof PR69D camo high-o quarter. This is not the silver one because it would say silver on it. I don't think these go for a whole lot, maybe a few bucks, but I will check eBay listings just to be sure. Well, color me surprised. I found 2 sold listings on eBay, one for $10.60 and one for 11 bucks. I'm gonna call this a $10 value because obviously they will have to pay eBay fees, and I think $10 is fair, especially since the slab is a little scuffed up. But still, $10 for that. That is more than I thought, I'm gonna be honest. All right, next up, oh, we have quarters. Okay, let's take a look. So it looks like we have some state quarter. These are 2020s. Do we have W's here? Philly, Denver, and Philly. All right, so we just have some 2020 state or national parks quarters, I should say. Brilliant uncirculated, but not a W. So these right here, I'm gonna just be honest, I valued them last time at a face value quarter, and that's what I'm gonna do this time. So for the 4 of those, $1. Sorry, Lucky Duck on those, but I just can't value those at more than face value. All right, we have, okay, some 2007 and 2004 NIFC. So we have a couple of NIFC Kennedy half dollars here. You can see there's a lot of powder getting on my gloves here. But a couple of NIFC Kennedy half dollars, not bad. These I value at $1 each as long as they're nice and BU, and these definitely are. So double face value on those, $1 a piece, that's $2. Okay, so we have a couple of the $1 innovation dollars. These are the 2019 Edison. It looks like we got a P and a D here. On eBay, these go for like $3 a piece. So, I mean, not bad. We're gonna call that $6. All right, here we go, guys. Next up, we have, all right, this is a clamshell with a Canadian National Park silver dollar, 1885 to 1985. These are like 50% silver if I remember correctly. Yeah, 1985 Canadian silver dollar, proof, national parks. Let's go ahead. You know, I'm not a big foreign coin guy, so let's go ahead and look it up. All right, so I was right about this initially. 50% silver, 0.375 ounces of silver total. I checked some eBay sold listings. I found one that sold for right around $15 with $1 shipping from Canada. So really nice. We're gonna call this $15 at retail. These are very, very beautiful and not quite a ½ ounce of silver, but more than a third. All right, next up we have a group of stuff. All right, so we have a 1942 wheat cent that's red brown for sure. 1952 wheat cent that's red brown, almost full red. 1955 wheat cent. I doubt this is a double die, but we're gonna look. All right, so actually our 1955 wheat cent is definitely not the DDO 001, which we knew it wasn't going to be, but it does look like there's a little bit of doubling on the 1955 and into word Liberty. So, I mean, not anything, you know, standoutish, but not bad, to be honest with you. And then next up, we have a 1956. This one is definitely red. And a 1958 that's red as well. So a few red browns. So the red browns, I value these in these dates at 50 cents a piece. The reds, your 58, your 55, and 56, these I give $2 a piece on. So we got 246. We got like $7. Not bad for those wheat cents. Really like those. $2 a piece on those. These are nice red Lincoln wheat cents. You can't get mad at that. We will definitely add $7 to the board for those. And we are not done. I don't even know what the total is. Let's keep going. Next up. All right, we have something in a baggie. All right, we have... Oh, what are these? Okay, so we have a Tuskegee Airmen 2021 S quarter. Now, these, I think, go for like $4 or $5 with the S Mint. And we have another, this is just Washington crossing the Delaware. That one is a D. All right, so I checked eBay listings. The 2021 S are going for around $3. I'm gonna count the 2021 D at face value. So $3.25 though, 3 retail for this one, 25 cents face value for the other. I tell you what, they both came in capsules. We'll be fair and add another quarter. So a total of $3.50. All right, let's go this. All right, we have a Blue Ike, the 1972 Blue Eisenhower dollar. These are going for around $12. Let's see if it's nice looking. Oh, it is. Oh, that's a really nice 1972 Blue Ike. Look at that, guys. Very, very nice. You have the blue chip as well. They're called Blue Ikes because they come in an envelope. They're 40% silver, and they have this silver Eisenhower uncirculated token on the other side. All right, next up. Oh, we have another slab. I'm going to leave the slab in there. We're gonna pull out this bag. All right, we have slabs. These are slabs also. We have 3 coins left, and they are all slabs. Wow, this guy got a lot of. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, I didn't see this. We have a 1927S Walking Liberty $50. Definitely heavily circulated. I wouldn't even call this a VG. You got the rim wearing down into the letters. On the reverse, the rim is definitely wearing into like the A on American here, the top of United. So this is like a G4. Oh, okay, they actually marked it G6. Well, I was gonna say G4. I actually didn't notice the G6, I promise. So unfortunately for this one, unless it's at least a VG or better, it's really only going for around $12. So for this one, we're gonna call it $12 and add it to the board. All right, I think now, oh, nope, there's a couple other things in here. I just couldn't feel them. Take a look, we have couple Liberty nickels, 1910 and 1909. So 1909 and 1910 Liberty nickels. You can buy these all day at coin shops for 75 cents a piece. Still, that's $1.50 at retail, $1.50 for a couple of Liberty head nickels. And now let's get into the slabs. Yes, that is it. All right, so first slab. Okay, we have a 1966 Canada MS62. This is the large bead variety. Now, I said earlier I'm not a big aficionado or whatever the word is for foreign coins, but I do know about the large and small bead variety on these, and the small bead variety is definitely the more rare of the two. I don't know what these are going for right now, though, graded at MS62. I know you can buy these like in circulated condition for basically melt, which is cool, but this is an uncirculated one. It's slabbed. All right, I checked eBay, and it looks like the 1966. I couldn't find an MS62, but I did find an MS63 that sold for $25 with free shipping. So we're gonna call this $20, which is still not bad. So $20 value on this is what I'm giving it at NGC certified MS62. Very, very cool. A lot of slabs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 slabs, and we have 2 more in these packages. I'm excited to see what they are. Now, this one, I was kind of feeling them. You can tell is Annex because it has that slant right there. Very cool. And then this one, feeling it, you can tell it's NGC because the PCGS ones have those little offsets that allow them to stack easier. This definitely feels like an NGC slab. All right, so let's start with the Annex one and see what we have. Okay, we got a Silver Eagle. Oh, this is a W. All right, so guys, this is a 2014 W Silver Eagle satin finish. So these originally got shipped by the Mint with a blue packaging, with a COA and everything like that. It didn't have the clamshell case like a proof, but either way, these are really, really cool. Now, it is graded MS70, but notice it is in an Annex slab, which doesn't help it. Obviously, PCGS or NGC slabs would make it worth a little bit more. And as you can see, eBay sold. We have 2014 W MS70 satin, Silver Eagle, and Annex slab sold for $55 with $3.75 shipping. So we are going to call this a $55 coin. I have no idea where our pack was up to this point. I'm going to put the tracker together in editing, but I imagine $55 was a good addition to that. And that is a lot of slabs for sure. Let's check out our last one. We already determined that this was an NGC. Final coin of the night. What do we have? we have a 1959 proof Franklin half dollar PF67. And checking eBay, we have a value of $35 for this 1959 Franklin half dollar. So I'm going to put the numbers together post edit, and then I will give you my final thoughts. So there you go, guys. That is my review of Lucky Duck's $250 eBay mystery pack that was sent to me by a subscriber, so he knows it wasn't coming from me. I think that is really, really awesome. Thank you so much to Cole Moose for sending me this awesome mystery pack, and I will get it back to you soon. So $248 is what I added up at the values that I gave everything, mostly checking eBay or just using my own knowledge of the coin market. And I think $248 is a fair valuation. Of course, that's not including the bonus pack with the loop and the stapler and the other things. So I would say all in, this pack's worth around $260 retail. But keep in mind, if you have $250 to spend, you can always go out and just buy the coins that you want rather than getting them in a mystery pack like what we saw here. It's fun to do these. You open them up, you don't know what you're gonna get, and it's kind of like a surprise, like a gift to yourself, if you will. Really cool to open it up and see what's inside. But at the end of the day, for 250 bucks, as always, you can just go out and buy the exact coins that you want without having to worry about getting a really bad one. That being said, if you do like mystery packs, I can definitely recommend the Lucky Duck ones. And just a quick message for the naysayers out there, because we did get some comments in the last video. No, we are not sponsored by Lucky Duck. It will be illegal for me to say that we weren't if we were, and it would also put my YouTube channel at risk. Lucky Duck didn't send us anything for free. He didn't even notice that we were placing the orders until after we placed them, and then he discovered that Rob was one of the people that ordered from him. But as you can see, based on this one, they're all pretty darn good for being mystery packs. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And check out this video up here if you haven't seen it yet. That's the first video we did with the $150 Lucky Duck mystery pack. Let me know if you like that one as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.